common mistake is when people try to operate machine, they go like this. This way you're fighting it, because you extend it up to front, your back is working, all your muscles is working. What's important is the machine operates basically by itself. The way I do it, I try not to go much past this point, and then I operate it by pulling the machine towards me. At the same time, I'm applying the pressure like this way on the cutting head, applying a little bit more weight to the front. And that's when you can hear the engine is like a little bit stalling, because you put more torque into the stump, more power into it. This way you can grind much faster. So like I said, I come closer to the stump, okay, and ideally I should take about 3 inches, 2-3 inches at the time, and working from the right side to the left side, like I did. Cut it here, and then when we just about will be done, then I switch this side, go on the other side. What I try to do right now, I'm not trying to go very deep, just in case there will be some rocks that could dull my teeth. What I'm trying to do, because this trunk is about a foot over the ground, so I've got quite a bit to grind before I get deep underground. So we try to save the teeth as much as we can. Hard time to keep the machine bent forward, works it hard, but never listens. And right away we're gonna switch over, and I'm gonna start cutting. And you can see she's trying to work the stump right now. The power head is at 6 o'clock, which is not good. She's riding on top of it. So just like I said, the way Renata was cutting, she was cutting it like this, which is no good. Riding on top of the stump, there is no, basically no cutting action whatsoever. You're just striking it, you're just giggling it. That's all you're doing, is giggling the stump. The best cutting action is between 6 and 9 o'clock, around here. And you have to see, of course, how is the grainage of the stump. Sometimes it cuts better on this side, sometimes it cuts better right here. So you as operator have to feel it. But basically, you see, you work it for so long, that's how much you cut. Now I will start it, and I show you the difference in cutting, where I'm not going to drive it on top, where I'm going to try to hit that between 6 and 9 o'clock, and see what happens. Okay, I just want to show quickly how to change the teeth. What we're gonna need, I use a old hockey stick, soft hammer, a key and a screwdriver. Very important to clean the pockets here, because those pockets of those bolts are full of dirt and mud. It's very important to clean them good, like that. They need to blow like this, or high tech like that. And what we do, mount the key inside, loosen it, loosen one, loosen second, okay, take it out, okay, the tube is out. Now what is very important is to clean that pocket here of any debris and any mud that was there, so the new tooth will align properly in a socket. Okay, and that's the left side. And we also have one on the right side, which I'm gonna do right away here, just kinda to show. Okay, like you see, this thing is full of mud. Okay, that's from last time we did stamping, was a few days ago. So clean the pockets of the screws. Very important not to work them out, because then your bolt is no good, basically garbage. Clean it.